Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rosinski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. I'm excited to see you all here. Hope everything's going around. Just want to let you know we're at the end of week 5. We got the end of class next week, so make sure if you have any extra assignments, catch up. Tomorrow I'm going to be going through and catching up on all the makeup grades and everything, making sure everything's caught up and ready to go. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, let's talk about logos, pathos, and ethos. And really kind of just get into the concept of these visual techniques and how they work over time. So it's really interesting. These are really great concepts because they really help out with a lot of different elements with this. And ethos is one of these elements. And ethos is designed by one's credibility. So we create visuals to really enhance the trusting of this person. So we'll put somebody on an ad or a visual of something that's very trusting to, so that they can gain credibility. And it's establishing the credibility and allowing your audience to trust the message being presented. And credibility can be established through like reputation, career, certifications, word of mouth. There's so many different ways that I trust this person because he's using it, I can use it. It uses a source of credibility to help persuade audiences. Like example, Superman in a Got Milk commercial. That Superman drinks milk, he gets strong, of course, even though he's inherently strong, but he's still using it to keep himself strong. So that's the reason right there. Even though it's a fictional character, if Superman is doing it, you want to do it. Now, unlike ethos, logos is a little different. Logos is second persuasive element and uses logic. So it's visual techniques. They start with ethos and then they go to logos. So this is once you've established credibility, now you can present the argument and it must make sense. So now you have someone or some visual or something that extends the trustworthiness of it. Now you need to be logical in how you express that persuasiveness using this visual technique. So to be logical, any argument is centered around the ability of an audience to draw conclusions from the information presented. So this way, when we take a look at things like, for example, the difference between Pepsi and Coca-Cola, what are the conclusions between what to persuade what's better than the other? You have to make sure they're based on concise and straightforward information, such as facts, statistics, charts, data. A/B comparisons are really a great element of that. Hang on, let me fix that. There we go. That's much better. Of results like research, data, and all those different elements behind that. So yeah, they really matter by that. And that's where logos comes in. So you establish the credibility of somebody, and then you explain facts to compare to another element to really like make yourself more credible, in fact. And then finally, if you want to even add this, there's one final appeal to a visual technique. If you're not going to use statistics or use a credible source, you can appeal to emotion, and that's what pathos kind of does. Pathos is one of those elements that focuses on emotion, and emotion is a persuasive appeal. And that's why emotional responses are triggered by persuasive communication. And that's captured in audiences and attention throughout. Pathos most often plays to our senses, memories, and experiences, and it means connecting with an audience verbally or visually is quite powerful. So, and that's pretty much it. So that's all I got. You have your discussions due tonight. Then you have your lecture assignments and also your written assignments due tomorrow. I logged in today and I noticed there was something wrong with the discussions, even though I finished all your grades. They're not posting for some reason, so I'm gonna call the PSC today and see what's going on with that, so I can re-update those. But other than that, that's pretty much all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, have a great weekend. Do keep in mind you have week 6 coming up, so last day of class on Friday. Lectures are still the same on Tuesday. Discussions, initial posts on Tuesday, but final posts and everything's gonna be due on Friday. So keep that in mind, all right? Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Thanks for being awesome, and have a great weekend. If you need anything, give me a holler.